How to remove liked songs on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. This is the home page where you will be able to see all of the features and sections of Spotify. In the Explore page, go to the bottom panel and tap on your library. In your library, tap on Like Songs from the list. Scroll down to see all the songs that you have previously liked on Spotify. Choose a song of your choice and tap on the three dots beside it. Then, tap on Remove from this playlist. The song is now removed from your liked songs playlist on Spotify. You can repeat this step for all the songs that you want to remove from your liked songs playlist. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can easily remove liked songs on Spotify.